Right. So, in today's session, we are going to discuss about uh, Gosu programming example in context to the PCF files, because when we are working on the Guidewire policy center or something, when we want to do a page configurations, we need to update necessary PCF files. The one which I am showing you, it's in where it's a complaint solution as I have taken here, which usually it's an XML version because XML data can be at the same time even in Gosu programming, because this is a Gosu editor here you can see. In this Gosu editor, we can maintain and we can update the PCF files. So in regard to the updation of the PCF files and all, so when we are updating the XML file wherein we are trying to extract the instances and as well as the schemas, so we need to be updated that before we were mentioning about anything relating to the commit or something. So after that, we need to mention the commit part. So wherein document validating upload files, wherein whatever the document files that we need to be updated, everything we have to be updated. So we need to provide a document that validate upload files, right? So this is something that you need to be mentioned under the commit part. Next, if this is the requirement or the changes that we are making on the PCF files were true, right? So we need to get a permanent document wherein editing, wherein at the same time we have to provide an ID number for upload document content pop-up. So wherein we need to mention the title, wherein the displaying the title about the document uploading successful, whatever the kind of file names that we want to be provided, etc. Everything will be mentioned here. If it is true, I'm referring to. If it is false, then whatever the upload files that we are mentioning, whatever the display key that we have to be updated here. So everything will have to be updated here, right? So this is for the page configuration files, especially when we are working on the Gosu programming, when we want to be updated any Gosu programming files and all. So whatever the complaint solutions that we want to be provided, uh, the kind of methods we are using, or the kind of validations that we are using, etc. So this is something that we have to mention, right? So we have to mention about the get file extensions also, whatever the required file extensions that we wants to be updated. So even that file extensions we have to provide, and we need to provide the document file name, wherein the value type, because on Java virtual machine, this Gosu programming we can run. So value type we have to mention as java.lang.string, where generally we have to provide the required and necessary input, and we need to be updated the screen. So this is how this complaint solutions that we have to be updated in the Gosu programming as part of our Gosu developer guided developer part is concerned, especially on the PCF files.